started farming because we were in the country. We wanted to be in the country. And we also wanted to work from home. And I think a lot of people want to work from home. A lot of people want to spend time with the family, start a family business. We didn't have kids when we started, and I remember a friend of mine saying that he was thinking about getting a dog, and he said he didn't want to get the dog because he was working too much and he wouldn't have enough time to take care of it. 5 minutes later, he said that they're planning on having a kid. And I just thought about that, because I was working in the city at the time and I wanted to eventually have kids, but I didn't want to see them just in the evenings or just on the weekends. So that was a big part of it too, is how can we work and stay together and see each other. And another aspect of it was I felt like I wasn't connected to my life working in the city. There was some disconnect between what I did to earn money and what living was about. And even though that was more planned for the homestead, about raising my own food and kind of building a self-sustaining life, once we started farming, it really was about getting more connected to our life, that it became part of what we do. It wasn't just another job that we went to. Right? We are farmers, and that's what we do. And when we wake up in the morning, we walk out to the field. We take a look around. We enjoy it, and not here because we have to be here. So that was a major reason, was to just be connected again. And then there's the practical reasons of being your own boss. I was a terrible employee. I think I make a good owner. Maybe not the best boss, but I do much better if I work for myself and in control of that. I own the results of my work rather than somebody else owning them. That's a huge thing, that when you work really hard and create something, that it's yours going forward, and you're sharing that with your family. And we, final reason is because we love it. It's such an awesome business to be in. It's really a business, there are lots of businesses where you get close to nature, but this nature is, the one providing your living, which is pretty damn awesome.